Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm giving you a brief walkthrough of the beautiful two-bedroom here at the Hanover Preston Hollow. So this is their model. It's a gorgeous model. This is the kitchen. You can see it. It's beautiful. That is a gas stove, gas oven top. I love gas stove top. I love that. I love the exhaust that's here. I just love the colors here. The great appliances that are here are so lovely. I love just the little touches and the lighting they've done. And then I love this island. This island is beautiful. It's going to give you a lot of space to just serve with, to eat on. People are going to congregate around it. They're going to love it. See, there's four chairs that are here, and then you have a lot of space also. You've got a built-in wine fridge, and there's your bar area. Love that so much. And it's got so much space that, I mean, you've got enough room for, this is a table, and you could make it even a much bigger table. You'd still have plenty of space. This is gonna be a perfect place for yourself, that special someone. And then if you want to have an event, a party, a soiree, you can do all that you want right over here. This is beautiful. You've also got a lovely balcony. The balcony looks like this. It's just stunning. You're gonna have some great views of the city. And then there's downtown Dallas, by the way, right there in front of you. It's beautiful. Let's take a look really quickly at the one bedroom that's here. The first main master bedroom that's here. That's beautiful. That's a king size bed. This is a large bedroom. You've got some beautiful windows looking out there, so you can enjoy a lot of sun and great views. You do have a beautiful dual sink here with windows and lovely walk-in shower. Beautiful walk-in shower with a bench and a huge separate tub. Massively large closet. Huge closet. So this is just one of the bedrooms and baths. This is your quick walkthrough of the beautiful Hanover Preston Hollow 2-bedroom. If you have more questions, or if you want your own personalized tour where you can see what's available that would fit your time frame and your needs, send me a text. Just say, hey Grant, I like what I'm seeing here, and I'd like to get you some more information. I'd like to get some more information about the Hanover Preston Hollow. Maybe even just ask general questions about Dallas high-rises, and maybe even see one or two other apartments and set up a virtual tour. We can take care of all of that. We can get you a virtual tour as early as today, depending on the time of day you reach out, or for sure tomorrow. So send me a text. Just say hi. I'd love to get some more information. Maybe set up a virtual tour. I look forward to hearing from you. My number is below.